The example we're going to look at now is Kmart. Now, perhaps when people talk about e-commerce, Kmart is not the company that jumps to mind, and yet they took a very imaginative approach. So you can see here in this diagram, they wanted to serve customers and consumers with a very complete service offering, but they needed to do some partnerships to get there, to create their BlueLight.com. They partnered with Yahoo for portal content, since after all you can look at pictures of electric razors but for so long before you're interested in something else. They also partnered with a company you'll hear mentioned called Spinway. Spinway provides the ad insertion and some other services as well in terms of integrating this capability. And then the actual infrastructure is put together by a company called ICG, and we'll be hearing from them in just a few minutes. The story of BlueLight.com is really remarkable because in just the first 14 weeks that this service was up and running, they got over 1 million subscribers, 1 million customers. And it all started by people going into the Kmart stores and picking up a CD-ROM just like this one.
Kmart, as everyone knows, reaches everyday America. As a retailer, it's been around for over 100 years. There's 2,200 stores. So our goal in looking at the internet is how do we get everyday America online? Our free ISP, which is now 3 months old, the idea was to get everyone on the internet, get the next wave of folks. Our competency at Blue Light is to build the world's greatest web store. Our competition is Walmart, and our competition is Amazon. That's what we're focused on doing. We now have over 100 people building a great web store. We also wanted to launch a free ISP. Who could we work with to give us the functionality, the features, the redundancy, and the reliability that America Online had? That's when it came down to selecting a partner. We had a relationship with Yahoo, so we embedded the Yahoo contact. And Spinway solved all of our problems. They had the pre-existing relationships.
Spinway needed a partner to build its network out to create a nationwide dial-up infrastructure. ICG was the company that was able to do that for us. We did that so that Blue Light could offer internet access completely free to their customers. One of the biggest issues that we had when deciding what company to use for our dial-up network was scalability. We sat in Cisco's offices, ICG, Spinway, Blue Light, and Yahoo were actually sitting in their offices and explaining how big this thing was going to be. And when we did that, we worked out we'd need maybe up to 1 million ports by the end of this year. Ramp-up time was extremely important for the ICG and Spinway Blue Light relationship to make it successful. The only way we could get from November to April to 2 million users in that amount of time was to build a network extremely fast.
We were able to put this in place because of the network that ICG had constructed. We're really happy with that. The fact that we can scale and move that much more quickly and not worry about it lets us focus on the rest of our business. At this point in time, we are the highest rated ISP according to opinions on the web.
We let the more capable ICG manage those networks.
Attention Kmart shoppers, Blue Light special on internet access. Well, who would have thought of